Leave it to Kylie Jenner to transform a regular morning into something truly magical. Imagine waking up in an Italian villa, surrounded by breathtaking gardens, sipping on a cappuccino, and then showcasing flawless makeup skills. That's exactly what the beauty mogul did in her latest It Ready With Me GRWM video from Tuscany, prompting her fans to start dreaming of their next European escape. Jenner, who at 27 runs Kylie Cosmetics, begins the video wearing a chic cheetah print camisole as she enjoys her morning cappuccino, her hair cascading gently over her shoulders. This peaceful moment is just the starting point of what evolves into an inspiring guide to enjoying an Italian summer. As Kylie strolls through a beautifully manicured garden, she gently interacts with vibrant pink hydrangeas, each step revealing more of the villa's enchanting charm. The lush backdrop and stunning scenery turn what would typically be a straightforward GRWM video into a captivating travel-inspired experience. Inside the villa, Kylie walks her followers through her established makeup routine, placing special emphasis on the need to keep the skin hydrated. She demonstrates each step with precision, applying foundation, contouring, concealer, blending everything seamlessly, and setting the look with face powder. Every action she takes reflects the expertise that underpins her successful cosmetics brand. The makeup tutorial progresses, featuring detailed steps like applying blush, crafting eyeshadow designs, defining brows, and enhancing eyelashes, right up to applying her signature lip products. The relaxed and engaging atmosphere of the video keeps millions of viewers coming back for more. Viewers immediately appreciated the captivating content, admiring her luminous skin and the video's enticing appeal. The feedback ranged from pleas for her to stay in Europe to admiration for her natural beauty, both pre- and post-makeup. Kylie's video style marks a new trend in GRWM videos, blending beauty routines seamlessly with the allure of luxury lifestyle. By presenting her makeup sessions in exotic locations, she keeps her content fresh and exciting, while continuing to offer a relatable touch that her followers love. So what's your take on this evolution of beauty tutorials? Do you find it refreshing to see makeup routines set against stunning landscapes? Or do you prefer the traditional at-home beauty-focused approach? Share your thoughts in the comments.